welcome to day 3 of our 5-day challenge. Today's challenge is, Christine?
Bridges.
Bridges.
Bridges, we're gonna build bridges.
Bridges. Okay, so is it just the bridge or is there something else to the challenge?
I think we probably need to drive something across the bridge.
Okay, so we do have a couple of things.
Something move across the bridge.
Perhaps you've got Hot Wheels cars, driving those across the bridge.
Train carriages. Something with wheels.
All right, and
you could have bigger cars.
Depending on what you use, you may need some sort of a track that you can
Hot Wheels tracks.
drive across,
or
so that'll work.
cardboard.
Or some train tracks or things like that. So up to you how you take on the challenge. I think it's time to introduce our special guest. Is it
today? We've got
you're destroying the set, Monkey.
Funny monkey, thank you.
Thank you, Monkey.
He's mischievous.
Okay, shall we see what have we got for today?
Have a look. Got some Duplo.
We've got Duplo and Lego again. I see a consistent theme.
So we're showing you what you can do with yours at home.
Okay,
so what can you do with some plates?
So just like the other day, these will actually go together, so we can have a good span with our plates like this, and it will fit with our track idea that we have.
Here's a bridge. What are we actually trying to do? We're trying to get across something?
That's right. So a bridge is something that spans an obstacle.
Okay,
so an obstacle like
could be a river, creek, could be train tracks. You could have a bridge going over train tracks.
That's true. We've got some of those in Brisbane. So we're trying to get over. So we need to lift it up. So maybe like some sort of a support. Can you make yours 4 high? Okay, so we can have just quite a simple bridge. It's a little bit inflexible. Behind us we have a couple of other ideas of bridges. You might actually like to look on, let's say, a Google search and find some real bridges that you can try and replicate.
Just think of the Story Bridge in Brisbane. Lots of different ones. But with our Duplo, we've actually got one made before. Oops.
We've
got enough pieces here. So this one's one of our arch bridges because we can see an arch shape. Yeah.
So it can span across an obstacle, so you can get the length that way, but you can also have supports in the middle.
So that works as well. Figure out what you're building with first, and whether you can make it really tall, really high, whether you're going to have long spans or have something in the middle there, like you were saying, and then you're going to try to drive something. Now, if it's going straight on the big bumpy,
so you can have the tracks on top, so that works too. Okay.
Cardboard.
All right. So Duplo, Lego. Lots of people will have that at home. What about something a little bit different? Can we get rid of these? And can I give you something a little bit different?
What's my challenge going to be? So what have I had so far? I've had toilet paper and I've had cardboard boxes and paper.
That's right.
What if there's going to be something else with paper? I think I'm getting a paper piece. Paper
bag.
bag. What about a book?
A book.
A book. One book? Can I use one book?
It's not actually a book of ideas. That could be a bridge.
Yeah, I've got. Could have a bridge like this.
No,
I think
these ones didn't fit in the bag.
Books, okay, books.
But I want you to build a bridge out of books.
Bridge with books.
Good luck, Christine.
All right. Keep an eye out for what I do. Something in here.
Okay.
Heavy.
Okay. Okay, so I've got some glue
these at home
and paddle pop sticks.
Buy packs of them, or maybe you'll have to have lots of ice blocks, lots of ice cream at home.
Yes, or maybe you've got some sticks outside. You can go and grab some sticks. But that, okay, I think I should be able to
bridge. All right,
make up a decent kind of a bridge with these.
Bridge with some books.
All right.
Yeah.
Paddle pop sticks and glue. Thanks, Christine. That'll be an interesting challenge.
Make sure you take some photos, or you might even want to take video if you've got something driving over your bridge. You can send us some more videos.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Make sure you send them through to us, and we will put them together in a gallery on Facebook for you, so you can see what other people have been up to as well.
All right. Well, yeah, we're looking forward to seeing what you can create.
Should we get started?
Yeah, let's go. Bye.